Meet Viola Desmond, the Canadian queen of I'm Not Moving. Get ready, because today we're talking about Viola Desmond, entrepreneur, trailblazer, beauty industry boss, civil rights icon, and the woman who pulled off one of the boldest I Am Not Moving power moves in North American history, before Rosa Parks. Our story begins in 1946 in Nova Scotia. Viola Desmond, a successful black businesswoman and founder of her own beauty school for black women, is on a work trip when her car breaks down. She has hours to kill while it's being repaired. So what does she do? She decides to go see a movie at the Roseland Theatre. Innocent, ordinary, nothing wild. Yet. So Viola walks in, buys her ticket, goes to sit on the main floor, the section with the best seats. But here's the catch. It was informally segregated. Not by law, but by racist policies. Main floor. White only. Balcony. Everyone else. But the theater didn't tell her that. They just sold her a balcony ticket and assumed she'd follow the rules. Spoiler alert. Viola Desmond did not follow the rules. When staff marched over and told her she had to move to the balcony because of the color of her skin, she basically said, "Nope, I'm good right here." Cool.com. Legendary? The theater panics. They call the police? Viola is literally dragged out, thrown in jail overnight, and fined. And get this, the fine wasn't even about segregation. They charged her with tax evasion of 1 cent. Yes, 1 cent. Because the balcony ticket costs 1 cent less than the main floor. Wild. But here's where she turns a personal injustice into a national movement. Viola fights the charge in court with support from the black community and civil rights groups. She doesn't win the case, but she wins something bigger. She exposes segregation in Canada, sparks activism across Nova Scotia, and becomes a symbol of resistance long before the civil rights movement hits the global stage. And we haven't even talked about her other accomplishments. Viola was a beauty mogul. She created her own line of hair and skin products, opened a beauty school, and trained black women across Canada, giving them careers, confidence, and community. She built black beauty entrepreneurship before it was even recognized by mainstream business. Her legacy, massive. Her courage, unshakable. And today, Viola Desmond is literally money. The first Canadian woman featured solo on circulating currency, the iconic purple dollar $1 bill. A daily reminder that one woman, sitting in one seat, on one ordinary day, can change an entire country. Viola Desmond didn't just watch history. She made it one seat, one stand, one fearless moment at a time.